If you still think you need to hire a handful of editors, sit through endless editing queues, or pay someone per clip to get any traction on social, you're missing one of the biggest shortcuts creators and brands have ever had. Right now, the real leverage isn't another influencer or one more expensive shoot. It's being able to turn your long-form footage into dozens or even hundreds of attention-grabbing shorts automatically. The people who know how to do that are quietly scaling accounts, filling ad funnels, and harvesting traffic 24/7 while they sleep. I wasted so much time trying every editor, every freelancer marketplace, and some so-called AI tools that promised the moon, but produced one decent clip after a week of waiting. Then I finally found the system that actually worked for me, and it changed everything. In this video, I want to take you from having no idea where to start to running a lean content machine that pumps out viral-ready clips from your long videos, all for a fraction of the cost and time it used to take. But first, what even is this? Think of it like this. You record a podcast episode, a live stream, a webinar, or a single long interview. Instead of someone manually scrolling through it and guessing where the gold is, the software scans the footage, finds the moments that will make people stop scrolling, and slices them into ready-to-post edits. It even auto-adds captions and aspect ratio-friendly crops, and then it can schedule those clips out across your socials on autopilot. There is absolutely no manual scrubbing, no hiring 5 different editors, and definitely no creative bottleneck. Why does that matter to your bottom line? Because you can make more posts, test more hooks, and dominate platforms without increasing your daily workload. Instead of spending days polishing one hero video and praying it performs, you can create dozens of micro ads and organic clips in an afternoon and see what actually lands with your audience. And you can do this whether you're running an e-commerce brand, building an app, promoting an affiliate product, or growing a personal channel. Let me give you a few real-world ways this plays out. A lot of brands still pay creators to film bespoke short clips, which works but gets incredibly expensive and slow. Imagine an app like Bible Chat AI. They're currently contracting creators to film a bunch of short-form clips to drive downloads. That's legit, but it's expensive and logistically messy. With a tool that auto-edits long-form content into short clips, they could repurpose a handful of recorded sessions into 100 different creatives, different lengths, different hooks, even different languages, overnight. Suddenly their ad library multiplies without shipping products or coordinating dozens of creators. Or take an online store that just finished a single product shoot. Instead of the studio delivering 2 hero assets, you can extract product demos, social proof moments, close-ups, and quick benefit clips, all optimized for the platform. Instead of paying per clip or waiting a week, you're scheduling them out automatically and learning which creative converts best. And this isn't just theoretical. I've seen creators repurpose a 2-hour live stream into 40+ vertical clips, test them across TikTok and Reels, and find 3 winners that they scaled. And find 3 winners. They didn't need fancy cameras or extra actors. They just used existing footage, let the AI find the brightest moments, and then put the winners on autopilot. Okay, let me walk you through exactly how to do this end-to-end using Vizard, so you can follow along and actually get results. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by editing, you'll love how simple this is. Step 1, create a new project and upload your long video. This could be a recorded webinar, a podcast episode, or even a long-form YouTube video. Vizard will analyze the whole file, audio, visuals, and engagement signals to find where the energy spikes, where laughter or emphasis happens, and where the clearest hooks live. Step 2, let the auto-edit engine run. This is where the magic happens. The AI automatically picks viral-ready moments and creates short clips optimized for vertical platforms. It trims silently awkward transitions, crops to the right aspect ratio, adds auto-generated captions, and suggests multiple hook angles. You can preview dozens of suggested clips in just minutes. Step 3, quick human tweak. You don't need to be an editor. Just skim the suggested clips, pick the ones that feel right, tweak a caption, maybe swap a thumbnail, and you're done. The user interface keeps things fast. Drag a trim point, change the cover frame, and hit save. Step 4, auto schedule. This is where the platform beats the old workflow. Set how often you want posts to go out, daily, 3 times a week, whatever, and the scheduler will queue the clips to post across platforms at optimized times. No more juggling spreadsheets or manually uploading everything. Step 5, content calendar and analytics. The calendar view shows what's going live, where it's posted, and lets you shift things around with drag and drop. Over time, the platform helps you see what types of clips win, so you can double down on the formats and hooks that scale. A few small but massive details that make this actually useful, because the devil is always in the details. Captions are auto-generated and editable, so you don't lose clarity when a clip goes silent on mobile, which alone increases watch time. The tool crops smartly for different platforms, so you don't have to manually create multiple aspect ratios. Want a 9:16 for TikTok and a 16:9 for YouTube Shorts? Done. Batch processing lets you run several long videos and get back dozens of clips in a single session. If you batch record once a week, you can feed the pipeline and never run out of content. Templates and branding. Add your logo, end card, or CTA once, and the AI will apply it consistently across all clips. Let's compare this to the typical alternatives so you understand the value. Hiring freelance editors costs $50 to $200 per clip if you want high-quality edits and variations. Using a generic editor, you still spend hours tweaking captions, cropping, and exporting. Even some other AI tools require you to manually search for moments. But with Vizard, the AI surfaces the moment for you. That means lower cost, faster turnaround, and much higher content velocity. Now, I don't want this to sound like a sales pitch, as there are limits to every tool. Some competitors are great at single-point tasks. One might have incredible speech-to-text, another might offer fancy stylized templates. But many of those tools stop at the edit, meaning you still need a scheduler, you still need to crop again, and you still need to manage a calendar somewhere else. Vizard's advantage is the all-in-one pipeline, from long video to published short, with scheduling and calendar control built in. For creators who want to scale without hiring a team, that integrated flow is the difference between posting once a week and posting daily. Here's a quick example of how I actually use it. I upload a 90-minute interview, and Vizard spits back 36 suggested clips in under 10 minutes. I skim them, pick 10 that feel sticky, tweak the captions for punch, choose cover thumbnails, and schedule them for the next 3 weeks. Within a week, I have a data. 2 of those clips go viral, 2 perform average, and the rest serve as evergreen content that steadily brings views. Based on that data, I record focused follow-up videos that double down on the winning topics. Another use case, e-commerce. 1 product shoot and you get demo clips, unboxing moments, customer reaction snippets, and short benefit-driven ads. You can test which voiceover style and edits convert best without having to refilm. If you want the editing to sound natural, the platform offers small controls to nudge voiceovers or captions so the tone matches your brand. It also supports multiple languages for captions and translations, so you can test international audiences quickly. And the best part? This scales. You can turn a single recording session into a content machine that feeds your channels for months, drastically lowering per-clip cost. So if you're tired of the bottleneck, long turnaround times, expensive editors, and the guessing game of what people will actually watch, give this workflow a shot. Batch 1 week of content. Let the AI surface the moments, schedule them automatically, and watch your reach compound. No shipping products, no casting, no crew, just real footage, real moments, and a system that multiplies them. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link below to where you can try the platform. Start with 1 long video, play with the auto-edit suggestions, and schedule a few posts. In a short time, you'll have real data to tell you what works. And more importantly, you'll have a repeatable process to create content that actually drives results. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.